Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. So I'm back again talking about my wealth building strategies, how I'm building a lot of my crypto using this strategy, and why you should do it also, because this is definitely a long-term plan, and this is what you should have, a solid long-term plan. I know people are so caught up on the short-term wins. They want to get quick money, but if you have a long-term plan, you can really start to see the light at the end of the tunnel, and start pushing for a goal. Okay, so my 7-figure Rolodex, you see the link in the description, all the things that I'm involved in and all the things that I use, my tools, my picks and shovels and everything you can see here, as well as which businesses I am promoting. Okay, now how are you going to start crypto for beginners training? Get that and get yourself a business, this automated system V7. Okay, I'm also going to show you my other income sources that I'm getting a yield and interest in. I'm going to show you them also. So if you're brand new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos, and I will keep on going. So I am staking my Ethereum. So I'm staking my Ethereum. Okay, I am staking my Cardano. Okay, I'm staking my Cardano. I am staking my, this needs to get connected. Let's go to the pools. It should be connected actually. Yes, connected. So I am actually staking my cake here. Okay, I'm staking my cake, and this is paying me a certain percentage as well, and I'm also lending my crypto out through Celsius to make a yield. So I'm earning passive income on all of these. I'm earning passive income on Pancake, I'm earning passive income on Celsius, I'm earning passive income on here Yoroi with my Cardano staking, and I'm earning passive income on my Lido or my Ethereum 2.0 staking. Okay, earning passive income on all of them, and they're all very slow builds. Okay, we're not earning big amounts, and we're managing our risk by staking on different platforms. But how are we earning the crypto in order to stake this? How are we earning? How are we making money so that we can put money into these different pools and start earning? We're earning from our businesses. Okay, my main business that I recommend is this automated system V7 and Power Lead system. Okay, these two I'm using to earn income, and I'm putting the income that I make from that, I'm putting them into these platforms. Okay, putting them into these platforms to earn an income, so that these are giving me interest every day, every week, every month. Okay, I'm just earning. And as well as making these YouTube videos as a partner, I'm also getting paid as well as a partner to make these videos. Okay, so if you really want to start earning passive income, you have to start somewhere. It may not pay you a lot at the beginning, but you need to get started, and the way to get started is getting a business that you can earn from. If you already got a day job, you can use some of your day job money as well, or if you got, like I said, if you want to really make it work, you need to have some funds. Either you get a day job or you use money from an online business. Okay, if you don't have an online business, like I said, I've got recommended businesses here in my Rolodex. You can just go through. I do recommend getting a hardware wallet as well. I've got a Nano Ledger and a Trezor and an Elipal. So you can get any one of these, and you can go through, sign up with any of these exchanges as well. But if you go through my Crypto for Beginners training, everything is in there. It will run you through how to get started with those. Okay, and also if you want to get into my this automated system business, because you want to start earning Bitcoin, just go to that, enter your name and email address, you get taken to my thank you page. Watch this video and it will tell you what you need to do. Okay, it will tell you to click this button here, click here to start your business. Once you click it, you will then get taken to this page, and you just need to click on the one that you want. Okay, if it's team builders, click on that. If it's this one, click on this, and once you do, you get in here, watch this 12-minute video. This 12-minute video will run you through exactly what this system is about. Then you can then click on set my system up now, or read some of the commission proof that we have and all of the information that we have here, all the PDFs and all of the comp plan, and everything is all here for the business. So with this business, you can earn in Bitcoin, and when you earn instant commissions, okay, in Bitcoin and Tron, you can then take that Bitcoin or Tron, and either, if it's Tron, you can sell it for swap it for whatever crypto you want, and if it's Bitcoin, you can put a portion of that Bitcoin into Celsius, and it will earn you, let's see, if it's a quarter of some of that Bitcoin, you earn 6.20% on the first Bitcoin and 3.51 after the first Bitcoin. So you can put a percentage into Celsius and start earning some yield on your Bitcoin. Okay, if you want to swap it for Ethereum, you can do the same with Ethereum or any of these cryptos. If you actually on my Rolodex, you can actually find the Celsius button, and you can click play and watch that video, and also watch these videos explain about Celsius. Okay, you can actually get this app on your desktop or on your phone. This actually runs you through how to set it up on your phone as well. So you can earn an interest off of what you earn from your business with Celsius. If you choose, you can also earn yield on your cake. So you can actually swap your Bitcoin for a portion of your Bitcoin for BNB, which is the Binance coin, and you can then swap the BNB on Pancakeswap for cake, and you can then stake your cake here and start earning about 79.76% APY, which is very, very good. Okay, this APY changes, so you can also find this information in my training as well on how to stake using Pancakeswap, and you can earn a good APY here, you know, but you need to earn before you can actually start doing this. So once you earn your money through the business, okay, through the business, this one or Power Lead system, you can then start to get involved in all of this. So this, I'm gonna get 79.76% here. Whatever you choose, whichever coin you choose. If it's Bitcoin, you earn 6.20%. If it's Ethereum, 5.35. If it's Dash, 4.60. You know, you can earn from there. Also, you make a sale in your business. You may want to start get into Cardano staking. Same thing you can do with Cardano. I'm actually staking from my Ledger wallet. If you don't have a Ledger wallet, like I said, you can get it from my Rolodex by scrolling down to recommended wallets. Here, click on Nano Ledger wallet. Click on get your Nano Ledger X, and just scroll down and get the X or the S. It's up to you. One of them is £109, the other one's $54.50. Any one of them will do. I've got the Nano X, and that's what I recommend because I get this one. And then you can also start to stake your Cardano directly from your ledger. Okay, you may want to swap. If you earn your Bitcoin in TASV7, you want to swap some of that for Cardano if you want, and then start staking your Cardano on here, Yoroi. There's loads of stuff on YouTube that show you how to stake your Cardano from Yoroi, okay, from your ledger. So I may add that to my crypto for beginners training actually, but I haven't done that yet. But this is another way of earning percentages around, I'd say about 4 to 5% APR. I'm earning with this APY, I think. Yeah, APR. So that's not bad. I get paid every 5 days with this staking. With Celsius, I get paid this every week. So this is every week I'm getting paid in my interest. With Yoroi, I'm getting paid this every 5 days. So I've got paid 2.11 Cardano recently. So my the amount that's delegated keeps on going up here, and I just leave this to stake. The next one I'm going to be paid is the 27th of September. Okay, very powerful. Celsius pays every Monday. Yoroi pays, this staking pays every 5 days. When you first stake, it's going to take a number of, I think it's going to take about a few weeks before the stake, before you get your first payment. So just be aware of that. And you can pick any of the staking pools to stake there as well. Okay. Pancake, this updates in real time, so you can see this is always going up in real time, and 79.6% APY. With staking Ethereum, so say if I earn my Bitcoin and I want to swap to Ethereum, I can stake my Ethereum and get 5.0% here with Lido Finance. I'm actually doing this directly from my ledger, okay, because this is actually on the Ledger Live app. Okay, so click on it and start staking here, and I'm getting 5.0% here, which is very powerful. I've got 6.0831 ST in here, so I'm actually earning from different income streams. From Lido, which is this, I'm earning from Yoroi, I'm earning from Celsius, I'm earning from Pancakeswap, I'm earning from my business, this automated system, I'm earning from Power Lead system, which is here. I'm earning from my YouTube channel, okay, and I'm also earning from all these other ones. So I've got these as affiliates, and when anybody joins these, they can actually start to build a business with those as well. And I also earn an affiliate commission for these, and I earn an affiliate commission for all of these on this page. Okay, everything on this page I earn an affiliate commission for, and that's why whenever you join any of these or you use any of these, you can actually start to share them as well and earn a commission on these. Okay, so it's all about having multiple streams of income and earning from your business or from your day job. If you haven't got a business, I recommend you get yourself TASV7 so that you can start to promote this, share this with others, and build your Bitcoin business. Okay, because once you build your Bitcoin business, you can take a portion of that Bitcoin and you can store some of it in your Nano Ledger or your Trezor, and you can take a proportion of them, of your Bitcoin, and swap them for any coin that you want, or swap them for the coins that will allow you to put something into Pancakeswap, put something into Yoroi, put something into Celsius, and put something into Lido, and start staking and earning off the interest of your earnings, which is going to be much more than any bank is going to pay you. Okay, much more. Anyways, people, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this has been informative. Start by getting yourself a business, checking out my Rolodex, and going through and seeing what is suitable for you. There may be something here that is that you need, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.